Hello everybody, this is Kyle. Welcome back to my video. You know what? I am so kind, soft and loving by birth. Well, don't think I am blowing my own trumpet. By the way, I was just trying to introduce myself. So, I hope you guessed what would be this video about. If you guessed, it is character introduction, then kudos to you all. Character introduction. Character introductions are basic and mandatory opportunity to impress readers and hook them into your story just like that. Let me begin this class with a quote. Once men say, good writing is filled with memorable character introductions. Without much ado, let's go and get some tips on this topic. The first note falls on, no burden yourself in physical appearance. I totally agree. If we want to introduce someone, we tend to describe their physical descriptions, but no. Oh God, no physical descriptions? Then how else I can make it? Let me confuse you here. Start with appearance. Yes, I said it is not that important, but I didn't agree to ignore it completely too. You got work to the point. Too much of anything is good for nothing. So, limit it to the requirement, and remember, literature is a non-visual medium. So having a vivid descriptions can help paint a picture in the minds of your readers. Check how Goldman introduced Buzzcat. Idly walking around the corner of a building, he is Buzzcat. 35 and bright. He has brown hair, but most people, if asked, would describe him, would remember him blonde. What more included here as physical description other than bright, 35 and brown hair? I would say that's enough to picture your character. Everything else in that intro speaks to his personality. A lot more research to come on the topic. Stay tuned for my next video.